Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about divorce. So I hope that you guys have your tea, coffee, some chips to get ready to listen to today's video. So the reason for today's video, I've been doing a lot of collabs on my channel, and I'm really starting to think that I want to just do me. So starting September, I am no longer wanting to do collaborations unless it is with just one person, or unless it's a sponsorship type of video. I feel that collaborations do kind of hold you accountable for having the video ready, having your description box, tags, keywords, titles, all of that ready and together, and sometimes I'm not. It also puts a strain on someone to hurry up and get the video done so that, you know, other people can have links. So I totally get where people come from when they don't want to join in on collaborations. It does help to grow your channel, but it also can become a stressful thing. Here on my channel, I do quite a few different things, such as reviews and unboxing, sponsorship type of videos, travel vlogs every year, cooking, cleaning, and weekly vlogs, weekend vlogs. And in the summertime, it is hard to film weekly and weekend vlogs when you're not really doing anything. So with that being said, I go back to work soon, and so probably by the time this video is out, I will be back at work, and I will be glad to get back into my weekly vlogs and weekend vlogs more. I also you know, would love to get married again in October for collabs. So if anyone had any collaboration ideas, you know, comment those below, or you guys can message those over to me on Instagram. But for the moment, collaborations and I are getting divorced, so there will be no more weekly or monthly collabs for myself, as I really want to take the time to just enjoy my channel and uploading what I would like to upload on some type of schedule. So that's the tea for you all. I have a lot of great videos coming up. So I had the whole summer to vlog any and everything I wanted to, whether it was from reviews and unboxing to cooking and baking with me. Just also trying to fulfill challenges that were sent to me. So, you know, with that being said, I have a lot of videos that need to go out. And, you know, with getting married again in October, it'd be great because I will be doing Vlogtober. And for those of you who don't know what Vlogtober is, it's where you vlog every day in the month of October leading up to Halloween. It does not have to be Halloween related. It doesn't even have to be fall related. These are just videos that you're putting out every day for the 31 days of October. So definitely have started working on that. And then of course, I am also down to be married to collaborations again in December for Vlogmas, as that will definitely help someone out with video ideas so that they can block off certain days and not have to come through with a video idea. So for right now, I'm gonna take the high road and not do collaborations and just kind of do my own little thing. And you know, I was accepted into the monetization program July 8th. I thought that I would just share that with all of you while watching this video. So thank you so much for watching all of my videos, commenting, giving a like because it is free. You know, here on YouTube, small content creators sit below 30 likes, and that's fine. Someone's liked it. You know, sometimes your video doesn't reach a bunch of people like you'd hope, but once again, be appreciative of all of the things that come to your channel, such as the likes, the comments, the shares, and the watches. So I hope that you all have enjoyed my quick update divorce video, and I hope that you all tune in for another vlog coming soon.